Assalamualaikum and a very good day. My name is Anif Amirul Fikri bin Abdul Razak. My metric number is 263180. I will present about the final year project. The title of my project is a study of the global warming awareness among the undergraduate university student in the northern state of Malaysia. I will start with introduction. The observer center scale increase the surface temperature of the earth, climate system and its associated impact of the reflect to a global warming. Scientists are nearly convinced the amount of greenhouse gas and the other human-caused pollution are to blame for nearly all global warming. Besides, the rise in the Earth's surface global temperature is the major global warming. Any region of the Earth will become cooler as our present average global temperature rise, while other will become warmer. Hence the concept of average global temperature. Human action affect global warming via global climate change. According to the Global Science of the Policy Community, Intergovernmental Panel of a Climate Change 2007 National Research Council 2010. Even though information on climate change is already widely available, the country either seem unable or unable to respond effectively to it, owing into the part of general lack of public understanding of the issue and option of effective response. Next, let's move to problem statement. Climate change is one of the most serious challenges to humanity now, with far reaching consequences for the humanity future. Moreover, climate change is also the most significant challenge for humans to achieving sustainable development, and it threatens to drag millions of the people into grinding poverty. WMO 2021. Nowadays, the impact of the global warming has devastated human life and sustainability. Other issue is a information of a powerful tools that can be used by humans to change the condition of the planet to be a better place to life harmony. Thus, it is very important to flourish the information of the impact of global warming which the school, college and university academic and curriculum. Nowadays, students are seen have a little information about self-awareness of the global warming due to a lack of exposure. The growth for the such information is now vital for the around the globe research and a platform to seek on the student understanding toward global warming and its impact. In this research, there are three research objectives. The first one is to assess to the level of climate change awareness among students. The second one is to determine student perception on climate change and sustainable development. And the third one is to investigate student source of information on climate change and sustainable development. Next, I will discuss about the literature review. Firstly, the awareness on the global warming. The public awareness of the global warming has grown as the diagrams of the what is going on with the climate. The public reaction to all the climate-related news, the attention has been a desire for the knowledge and comprehension, which the result in either support or denial. Global warming has a negative impact on both the environment and human health. Next, climate change. Climate change research has exploded in the recent year because the growing climatic risk and impact in the all sector and the all level. This study evaluation of the focus on a variety of level and size, from a global to national to local, as well as sector such as agriculture, forestry, health and medicine, water and education. Besides, human activities. Humans have a vital part in assisting in the reduction of the global temperature variation. They are also the cause of a climate change. There are several human activities that contribute to this problem, including tree felling and building construction, industry and transportation, and city population expansion. Other than that, sustainable development. A concerted effort is required to meet the National Sustainable Development Strategy goals of the enhancing eco-efficiency in numerous areas of the economy. The term sustainability refers to an important aspect of ecology equilibrium. Next, I will explain about the methodology of this research. This study was used the quantity technique in the term of a data collection and the answer for the relationship between the variable developed inside the theoretical framework of the study. For participants, this research focused on the student from public university as a UUM, UMK, UITM and UNIMED. For the data collection, this research used a Google form to ask a questionnaire to the respondent. The data for the research will be gathered and measured after the results are being received from the respondent who are filled out the Google form questionnaire. Next, for the research framework, the independent variable it shows about a climate change, impact of the climate and sustainable development and source of information. While for the dependent variable, it shows about the awareness of the global warming among the university undergraduate student. Next, I will explain about the finding of this research. The first pie chart shows that the total number of the respondent that is involved in this research, which is 153 respondents, including of 52 male, which is presenting for 34%, and 101 female, which is representing for 66%. Next, the second pie chart shows the percentage of 22 until 24 years old respondent, 76.5% with 170 respondent, then followed by 90 until 21 years old with 25 respondent, 60.3%. Respondent with 25 years old and above only accumulated with 7.2% with the only 11 respondent. The third pie chart shows that out of 153 respondents, 135 respondents are Malay race with accumulated of 88.2%. Then it is followed by Chinese race with 60 respondents. It is accumulated of 10.5%. Indian race with 1 respondent, which it is accumulated of 0.7%. Lastly, Christian race score with only 1 respondent. It is accumulated of 0.7%. Next, the pie chart shows the current semester that respondent engaged in which in semester 7 is 66 respondent, 43.1%. Then followed by the semester 6 student with 26 respondent is 90%. Semester 5 respondent record with 22 people, 40.4%. Semester 1 student accumulate with the 12.4%, which is 19 respondent. Semester 3 respondent only recorded with 7 people, 4.6%. Semester 4 respondent only recorded with 6 people, 3.9%. Lastly is the semester 2 student which only recorded for respondent 2.6%. The fifth pie chart shows that the student of public university that respondent engaged in which in UUM student is 76 respondent, 49.7%. Then followed by UMK student with 28 respondent, 18.3%. UITM student recorded with 20 people, 13.1%. UM students responded only record with 80 people, 11.8%. Lastly is the UNIMED student which only record 11 responded, 7.2%. For the reliability test on the variable, it showed that the Cohn-Bendit alpha for the DV1, IV1 and IV2 are more than 0.6. Therefore, it can be considered as a reliable. For the reliability test on the overall question, it showed that the Cohn-Bendit alpha of overall question on all variables including IV1, IV2 and DV are 0.922, which is a more than 0.6. The result showed that the question asked in the questionnaire are strongly reliable. On the table above, it shows that there is a significant relationship between the level of awareness on climate change DV and perception of the climate change and sustainable development IV1. On the table above, it shown that there is a significant relationship between the level of the awareness on the climate change DV and accessible to source of information IV2. As a conclusion, the research showed that there is a positive relationship between independent variable, which is a climate change, and the dependent variable, which is the awareness of the global warming among the university undergraduate student. It will also show the degree of the relationship between perception on the climate change and sustainable development, accessible to source of the information on climate change, which the level of the awareness on the climate change of student. Based on the study, it can be seen that the students from public university who are focused about the awareness on climate change. That's all from me. Thank you.